Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're anything like me, you're always on the lookout for those game-changing tools that make life just a little bit smoother. Well, today I am super excited to share 3 incredible apps that I truly believe you need to download and try out in 2025. These aren't just any apps. They're designed to boost your productivity, sharpen your focus, and even help you pick up new skills. So, if you're ready to level up your year, grab your phone and let's dive in. First up, let's talk about organization. We all juggle so many things, right? Tasks, notes, ideas, projects. It can feel overwhelming. But that's where Notion comes in, and trust me, it's a total game changer. Imagine having a single, flexible workspace where you can manage everything. You can create to-do lists, track your projects, jot down notes from meetings or classes, even plan your content calendar. It's incredibly versatile, whether you're a student trying to keep up with assignments, a creator managing multiple projects, or a professional streamlining your workflow. Notion adapts to your needs, not the other way around. It's perfect for bringing all your scattered thoughts and tasks into one beautifully organized hub. Start using it, and you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Next, let's tackle a modern challenge we all face: staying focused in a world full of distractions. Our phones are amazing, but they can also be our biggest productivity killer. That's why I absolutely love Forest. This app turns staying focused into a fun, rewarding game. Here's how it works. When you need to concentrate, you plant a virtual tree in the app and set a timer. If you manage to stay off your phone until the timer runs out, your tree grows. But if you get distracted and leave the app, your tree withers. It's a brilliant way to beat phone addiction and cultivate better focus habits. The more you concentrate, the more trees you plant, and you end up building a beautiful virtual forest. It's incredibly motivating and genuinely helps you dedicate uninterrupted time to your work, studies, or whatever requires your full attention. And finally, how about learning something new and enriching your mind? Whether it's for travel, career, or just personal growth. Learning a new language is an incredible journey, and for that, I can't recommend Duolingo enough. This app makes language learning accessible, fun, and incredibly effective. It breaks down complex languages into bite-sized interactive lessons that feel more like a game than a chore. Just 5 or 10 minutes a day consistently can make a huge difference. You learn vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation in a way that sticks. And the app keeps you motivated with progress trackers and fun challenges. Imagine being able to converse in another language sooner than you think, just by dedicating a few minutes each day. Duolingo truly makes that possible. So there you have it. Notion for organization, Forest for focus, and Duolingo for learning. These three apps are fantastic tools that can genuinely help you make 2025 your most productive, focused, and enriching year yet. I really hope you found these recommendations helpful. If you did, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments which app you're most excited to try first. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to help you live your best life. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.